What's up, guys? Today we are doing the yellow parts of the door panel, and maybe if I could find felt or something that I could put on the thing to kind of glue down, I'll do that too. But first things first, let's get the yellow piece on, because then we'd at least be able to put the door panel on and test it. So yeah, I've already got one side fitted up, just kind of seeing where things touch and where it doesn't touch. I'm deciding on how much I should put on. I mean, the whole door card kind of rests on it, so I feel like I should put a decent amount. We'll see. But yeah, let's go on the porch and get this started. Okay, so here's the panel. What I'm planning on doing is these deep spots. I'm gonna use the super glue first. Get that all nice and good, because this is kind of like fast acting. And I'll go back in with the JB Weld over top and seal it all. But we'll go right here with JB Weld. I'm thinking about going around the handle part, so we'll kind of pop it off a little bit. Get all up right here, and then I gotta figure out how to get this to stay. Well, we don't really need it to stay. We'll just have to fill it in. And then same with this side too, right here. So yeah, I'm gonna find some stuff to kind of support it, and then I'll get it gluing. Alright, the phone died, but I charged it. I went ahead and glued the other door. I've got all those done. I got a little bit in this corner. This one was a lot easier to get. There was a lot more exposed tabs. So, got all those, got there, got there. I even got underneath it, with some super glue. That spot. So while that one's setting, it's almost done. It's still a little tacky, but this bad boy is basically done. It's not bad. And then I gotta figure out what to cover those in. Maybe like an old piece of clothing, or I don't know, something. Maybe like a plaid shirt that we old, like, I don't know. I'll try to figure out. But yeah, that's kind of where we stand right now. It should slide back on and go back on the door just fine. But we'll see. Who knows? Oh, I also put some epoxy here, because this was a very weak spot. It cracked all the way through. Oh yeah. So, because of noises in the complex, I couldn't really record. So, I did some stuff off camera. I do apologize. But I glued that piece in and put epoxy just recently over it. So now that's setting, and doing all that good stuff. I went around this one as well. I realized whenever I was cleaning it that this top of this speaker cover was popping out, so I popped it back and shoved some super glue in there, so that should be good to go. The other door panel is already on the car. I went ahead and put the handle, these switch pieces, and then the door light all on, and that car's out, or that's already on the door, sandwiched. But we do still have the, sorry about that, 2 cloth fabric cardboard pieces. I'm just not gonna put those on yet. We don't have spray adhesive or any good fabric that we want to use for them, so I'll show you what the one looks like whenever I go and put this door panel back on, but I'll show you putting everything back together. I just gotta let this spot dry. I gotta really let this spot dry, and then right there a little bit. So yeah, it might be dark next time you see. Alright guys, so, well, it's nice out still. And that's all drying up. I want to make sure it sets really good and get a nice bond, because that's a pretty important piece. So we're just gonna let that sit there and do its thing, let it work. I figured I would go down the stairs and continue cleaning the car. It was gross. I didn't post any of the clips that I saw earlier. There's some spots on there that are like really rough. I'm probably not gonna tackle those today. I'm probably just gonna tackle where we're sitting and probably get some of the stuff out of the carpet. We'll see though. I'll see how much I can get through without feeling disgusted or sick. So yeah, let's go see how much we can get done, and then by the time we get back, it should probably be close to putting on. I'm probably gonna put it on tomorrow though, to be honest with you. So yeah, let's go do that. Alright boys, so I'm just gonna do a before and after of what I can clean and what I did clean. And then just because it's gonna be a little too hard for me to record everything. So just gonna get a good glimpse of everything. It might also be nighttime by the time I get done. I don't know. All that. Now this was cleaned once before. When we first got it, we cleaned it. I don't gotta clean that door panel. And then that's disgusting. We gotta go somewhere for that. Yeah. Gross. Okay. I'll show you whenever I'm done. Alright boys, I'm pretty satisfied with this cleaning session. It still needs to be cleaned a lot more, but we've gotten a lot of the grime out of it, like especially right in there. There's just a bunch of like small stuff. I got all that cleaned, got that cleaned off. Dash, the vents. I don't have a strong enough vacuum for the carpet, but I did get this door, wiped all that down, got all the glass, mirror, back glass. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I think I'm gonna end this one here. The glue is probably still not done yet, so we'll probably put that door on whenever we investigate why the windows don't work on this side. Well, it's really just this window. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys appreciated this one. I'm learning a lot. I hope you guys are too. And yeah, catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.